Could you hand me those, I'm sorry, the footprints down there? Just that box?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much. Perfect. Okay, so now we just gotta get our little footprints. Come here, honey. Oh, no, 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 no. Check it out. Come on. No, no, no. Let's see what they look like. I don't think they're gonna be good. Oh, well, there's 5. So they're good. Now we're gonna get yours.
Not really, but when you push the babe out, you make the episiotomy extended.
Awesome.
Awesome.
So those are gonna be for you.
Someone needs some
Alright, so now we're just gonna verify bands. Dry right up.